I had to get off the phone and make this video. So I have the bacon here that is set, and fire is up here. Okay, I can't get fire in the oven. I've been on the phone for 5 minutes trying to get fire in the oven, and I can't get fire in the oven. Get you? My guests use the oven. I cannot turn on the oven. Good. So this is there. Hi. And I can't get the fire in there. For the last 5 minutes, I can't get the fire to go down there. And this is on.
Morning.
Hi. Morning. How do you get the fire down here? Who did use it the other day? Valerie. You used it the other day. How do you get this? You know how long?
She said she put it on in
Yeah, you know how long I've been in here trying to get the fire down here? I turn on the top and the top works, which we all know the top works, but I can't get the bottom to work. Oh, there's the fire.
You need to read the manual.
She get the fire to work. I'm so stupid. I was using this.
But it is new, you say it's new in it. So you would need to use that.
6 months new?